been out here for weeks. I don't think we can push on any further.
We're still good for a couple days, Sergeant. We got a ping out here. That bastion is near. We just gotta push a little further.
Over half of our contingent is shut down, including the kid. His Majesty is not gonna like that.
Her power ration is what's pushed us this far. As long as we find that bunker, it'll be worth it.
Come on, Jeff. I need an expert driver for this super secret mission. Oh sure, Commander. I'll cancel my 10th wedding anniversary for you. Couldn't be happier to do it. Oh, that's gonna kill me, and all I can say is we walk through dirt and sand. Huh? Hello? This is Alpha. Alpha, this is Bravo. We hit a rich vine of ore, and the techs think they found the objective. We're excavating now.
Copy, Bravo. We'll reroute to you.
Think there's enough to get the others up?
I hope, May. I'll take the light tank and speeders, see if I can confirm it really is our objective.
We have quite the haul.
You've been busy. Planning to go around?
And then some. Hungry? I hope you brought more than a light tank. We have a lot to bring back to the city.
The rest is on its way. Now, was the report correct? Did you find the bastion?
We're pretty positive. We should have eyes on it soon, though we may have disturbed the locals with the noise we were making.
Locals? What could possibly be out here? Gus, evac your crews. This could be ugly.
Right, I'm on it. Come on, Carl.
Alright, Alpha. We don't carry the same caliber as Lieutenant. I am now authorizing plasma ammo.
Hey, back off my crew. Thanks for the save, guys. By chance, do any of you have a spare power ration? Thanks, Corporal. Carl? Wake up, partner. We gotta go. Carl? Carl! Oh, I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry, Jess. We'll recover him once the rest of you are safe.
Right, I'll call in. Charlie, this is Bravo. We're evacuating.
I wouldn't, Chief. We broke through the last layer. You're gonna want to see this. That could work. Jess, meet up with Charlie. We'll meet you there and hold up till Delta arrives. I'll get the civvy. Hey, what do you think they need with all that power anyway? Sure. Make it a party then. Guess I'll bring the fireworks.